Google has launched the Pixel Tag, an AirTag competitor for Android devices, alongside its new Pixel 11 phones. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. The Pixel Tag is an elongated pill share tracker similar to the Samsung Smart Tag 2 with a height of 1.8 inches, a width of 1.1 inches, and a thickness of 0.2 inches. The Pixel Tag is compatible with phones running Android 9 and later, so you can pair it with older devices that haven't been updated in a while. However, its Bluetooth channel sounding capability, which is a feature that enables precise distance measurements between two devices, only works with Android 16 or later and Bluetooth 6.0. It also has ultra-wideband for precision finding that can show your exact distance from the tag and tell you which direction you should go to find it. For that feature to work, you need to have an Android device with ultra-wideband support, such as Google's Pixel Pro or Samsung's Galaxy S and Z Fold phones. The Pixel Tag has a rating of IP67 and is dust and splash resistant. Google also says it can withstand being submerged in 3.28 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. The device is powered by CR2032 coin cell battery, which you can replace yourself once it runs low after about a year. You can pre-order the Pixel Tag for $29 already, with shipments going out on August 20th. But since people may want to keep track of several things, pets or kids at once, Google's also selling bundles of 4 for $99. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.